What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing and review of the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Mookie Chase 0907, salute. Now, without a doubt, the Chelsea boot, a classic, sexy staple that's been adding a little edge to men's wardrobes for decades. And within the last 5 years, a particular style Chelsea boot has really made an impact. The Suede Chelsea boot, particularly one in the khaki/sand colorway. Now, these Suede Chelsea boots come in a variety of prices from different brands, different quality, different build. And one of the ones that's definitely made an impact is the one we're gonna review today, the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot. So what I'm gonna do in today's video, do an unboxing, give a full review, even show them on foot. Let you know whether the truest size, run big, small, you have it. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you my unbiased and unsponsored overall opinion of these boots and if they're worth you spending your hard-earned money on. So without further ado, let's get into this full review of the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot. Okay, so here we are. We got the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot, Chuck model in sand. Now, first off, this video is gonna be a little off the cuff, no cuts, just straight through, so forgive any stumble or fumbles. They're gonna happen in the off the cuff video. Also, full disclosure, I'm not gonna pretend like I never owned this boot before. In fact, I did a giveaway of another pair of these late last year. So you know I don't BS you guys, it's not my first experience, but I did get another new pair, wanted to try them on, do a full review, breakdown that I didn't get to do the last time. You can benefit from it, got me a new pair. So now that we got it out of the way, let's get into the review. Now first off, let's talk about what New Republic says about them themselves. Like I said, they call it the Chuck model, and this is in sand. It has a natural crepe outsole, vegetable tan leather welt, back spine for reinforcement, a cotton nylon blend New Republic color, pull tab and elastic matching suede collar, a pad insole for extra comfort, high quality cowhide suede upper, and 100% leather lining and footbed. Now that's what they say, let's see what I say. First off, of course, like I said, $99 retail. So great price for the boot to start off. They're winning with the price to begin with. Now let's look at the presentation. Comes in what I think is a nice quality size box, has their logo on the front, New Republic by Mark McNary, all that good stuff. Pretty substantial quality box for a $99 price. Now what do you get when you open it up? Let's see. So of course, you get the 2 pair of boots, got them wrapped in a good old plastic. 1, 2, and what do you have inside the box? Nice little dust cloth, nice little touch. Like I said, at 99 bucks, you usually don't get this extra kind of stuff thrown in. So I think this is a nice touch, protect your shoes, nice dust cloth. Let's get that out of the way. Got the box, happy with the box, let's get rid of that. Now let's break down the shoe, pull it out. Now, I'm assuming each shoe is gonna be identical. We know this, so we'll just do one. So, as you can see, we got a nice sand color suede Chelsea boot. Now, to me, especially in this price range, the quality of the suede, very nice. Soft, supple, I don't see any defects. Nice, it's not the brightest suede, not the brightest sand. To me, a darker sand than you might expect, but I like it. And as you can see, you got the natural crepe footbed. This is synonymous with the Chelsea boot, Suede Chelsea boot. You're gonna get this crepe. Now, as you can see, it'll never be this clean again. One of the drawbacks of these crepe Chelsea boots, or any crepe boot, this is gonna get dirty, get marked up. But it's pretty for now. Now, one of the things right off the bat I really don't care for, and I think breaks up the look of the shoe, is this nylon NATO strap tab. I get maybe they're trying to get it to set it apart a little bit. I don't necessarily care for it. Now inside, of course, you got your paper, we don't need that. Another piece of paper, we don't need that. Of course, you got the elastic on the side that's synonymous with your Chelsea boot. I really like the tan welting, nice little touch. You can really feel the padding of the insole, very good, I like that. And let's talk a little bit about the shape. Now the shape to me is great. It's not that exaggerated pointy toe that might look a little more trendy. It's a nice round toe, but not too round where it looks like it's out of date. So I think it strikes a nice balance of the roundness of the toe. So the shape, great. The suede, I really love. Like I said, it's a very high quality suede for this price point. At 99 bucks, I don't think you're gonna beat this. Now, I've had other Chelsea boots that are much more expensive. The suede gonna be a little bit better. But for this price, I don't think you can beat the suede on this one. Turn around to the back, of course, you got the reinforced spine. Very well done. Overall, very well done, very well designed. You don't see any flaws in it. You don't see apparent glue that you're gonna see a lot of times in this price point. To me, just a very well-made boot. Really not feeling this nylon pull tab. Other than that, a very beautiful shoe. So now that we've got a look at the shoe, checked out the materials, let me throw it on foot, show it with the outfit I have on today, let you get a look at it, let you know whether it's true to size, run big. Now I wear 11.5 on almost every type shoe. So I'll let you know this is 11.5, whether it fits true to size. Let's go to the on foot. Now as far as sizing, feels pretty true to size. I wear an 11.5. These are fitting just right. So I think you're okay if you get your normal size and do true to size. Now, as you can see on foot, got a pair of slim jeans on. Show you what they look like with the jeans. Now, I really like the way they look on foot. Smooth, sexy. Now, I must admit they feel pretty good. The insole, very comfortable, very padded. Really feels good on foot. And I like the way they look with these jeans. They're giving me that Chelsea boot look that I love. Sexy, smooth, modern, but still classic. Overall, great on foot and feels good, runs true to size. So what's my final opinion on these New Republic Suede Chelsea boots? I'm gonna give them 9 out of 10 salutes. At the price range, I don't think you can beat them as far as quality, build, fabrics, material, just overall a great boot. However, the drawback, really don't like this tab right here. Kind of takes away from the overall look to me. Without this, probably would have gave them a 9.5, maybe even a 10. But as it stands, the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot gets 9 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My review of New Republic Suede Chelsea boot. Let me know in the comments section, do you have any experience of them? And what is your opinion? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.